Hello, welcome to another EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this TM M4 CQBR. So the customer has requested a level 3 build. So we've done the level 3 build, which is Prometheus Tightbore barrel, Prometheus Flat Nub, Firefly Hop Rubber, and EagleSix upgrade spring. We've also done an upgraded Recoil spring in the back here, so there'll be a small extra charge just for that one. On this particular build, we felt like it needed it, so we've done it for extra longevity of your particular build. So this has also got so the specification was specifically wiring for aftermarket stocks on the build. So we've removed the proprietary connection at the back here, and then we've obviously done a small wire extension and over to a Dean's connector. So that will mean that obviously I cannot put the stock on for testing now, because obviously the stock comes with all proprietary connections. So obviously we've followed your instructions on the paperwork, so hopefully that's exactly what you're after. For use with things like CTR stocks and stuff like that, this can be used for you. Basically just stick any aftermarket stock on now. So hopefully that's okay for you. If not, obviously remember it's your build, so let us know. But obviously hopefully we've followed your instructions correctly there. And that's pretty much it. So we'll just connect the battery on just to demonstrate it now for you working. Okay, so that's all tested and all working. Like I say, we'll put the full build specification in there. FPS was 353 on 0.2s and 265 on 3.2s. So obviously that's a pretty good number there for 3.2s. And obviously that's our recommended ammo. We've tested at range on 3.2s. And hop is set for 3.2s. We'd obviously recommend that particular ammo. But let us know on the numbers, and hopefully everything's all good for you. So thank you.